Hello. Today we have a Kia Sportage that come to us for a touchscreen problem. So as you see, the touchscreen is not responding. So we need to remove the unit of the car. So to remove the unit of the car, switch off the engine, and you need to start removing this plastic trim on this specific model. So you need to find a spot to enter your pry tool. I find out that this is a weak spot here, so it's very easy to start from here, and then with the plastic tool gently start prying off the frame. Don't go too deep so you don't do any damage, because this will go around the instrument cluster as well. So just to be sure that you don't damage the instrument cluster, only use a plastic pry tool and don't go too deep inside. And then you need to go all around gently so you don't break this trim. Remove it, switch off the unit, use a Phillips screwdriver, start removing the screws. You have 4. One, 2. Three. And the 4th one. And now you can slide the unit out, which will come like this. On this specific model, this is just the monitor. You need to slide them out. The other one, they have a push clip that you need to press to release, and they'll come out. And behind here you have the head unit. Again, hold it by 2 screws and cables attached on the back. If you have any issues with your Kia Sportage, the lamination problem, LCD screen not coming on, touchscreen problem, any kind of issue, get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to help you. We have all the parts in stock to be able to do a repair like this. So feel free to get in touch with us. If you have any questions, feel free to write us. Thanks for watching. Bye.